Building a house, very interesting. I'm sure most of you would be building a house only once in life. So how can you be expert in building a house? Because building a house is a technology. It's a science. Selection of materials requires great amount of experience. See, when we go to buy a shirt, we take a couple of our family members because we want their opinions in selection of color, the type of material. When we go to buy a car, we at least ask 10 people. See, these two commodities we keep changing frequently in life. What about a house? Once in a life? And you want to experiment with it? Not worth it, friends. It's good to go to a local consultant who would advise you properly on the structural angle, the architectural angle, the material of construction angle, and so many other techniques. It is worth paying the consultants now or paying it throughout the life of the structure for maintenance. Choice is yours.